am back from the gym. Basically this vlog is a day in my life, so I'm just gonna carry you guys along as best as I can. This morning my mom left for work, but before she left for work we talked per usual, and then when she left I had my devotion, and after my devotion I was debating whether I should go to the gym or not. I ended up going to the gym, obviously, and had a good workout. It was like glute focus work, legs today, so I did that, and now I'm going to tell you guys basically the agenda that I've set for myself today. So the agenda for today is to make breakfast, do laundry, straighten up apartment, I finished editing my video, but to post it and to create a thumbnail. Then I'm going to just relax, and yeah, that's about it. I hope this vlog is fun and smooth as possible for you guys, and I hope you guys continue to watch. Don't forget to like, don't forget to share, don't forget to subscribe if you're not subscribed already, and like my videos, guys. Liking just takes 1 second. That little thumb thing, just press it and like my video and just support your girl. And don't forget to follow me on all socials at Hey Siri _ on Twitter. And I'll see you. Right now I'm gonna make my eggs, so you guys are gonna come with me. Let's go. Okay guys, so this is how our breakfast is looking. This is the omelet with some strawberries on the side, and then the shake. Yummy yummy. So I'm about to eat, and then I'll pick up with you guys once I'm finished. Okay guys, so I am back home from the laundry. I didn't fold there, so right now I was folding, but then I forgot that I have to post my video for today at 7. So it's like a couple minutes to 7, so I just made my thumbnail. I have to upload it to YouTube, and yeah, the time just went by so fast. Like, it's almost time for me to go to bed and get ready for work tomorrow, and I'm just annoyed because I have to be folding up those clothes, unpacking them, and it's just a lot. It's like time is just against me. Time hasn't been my best friend since lately, so I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna upload, and then I'm gonna finish folding, and I still have to go and wash up those dishes. Like it feels like a lot, but yeah. My day went by so fast. Wasn't really a day off, didn't even rest, but I'm gonna try and get my stuff together and go to bed really early tonight. I think this is a bit of a short vlog. Maybe I extend it, maybe I stop it here, but anyways, time is against me, so I'm gonna go finish uploading the video. Don't forget to check out that video, that vlog. I vlogged like a week in Florida, so go and check it out. It will be in a thumbnail iCard right up here. Click on it when you're finished watching this video, and don't forget again to like, share, comment, and subscribe. All right guys, I'll hit back with you when I am done. Guys, the video is up, and I'm gonna go watch it and fold these clothes right now. So yeah. Alright guys, so I don't know where that last video left off from, but it is currently February, let me show you. It is February 11th and it is 8:53. I have a hair appointment at 10:30, so I'm gonna treat my hair with the avocado mask that you guys saw me make. I put argan oil, castor oil, and argan oil, castor oil, Mean Choice goat oil, some blessing oil in there, and egg, 2 eggs, and 1 big avocado. So I'm kind of running on time right now, not much time, and time has been against me all week. So I'm doing my best to move as fast as possible and not let it catch me up. I'm gonna see if I can wash the bathroom as well too. So let's see. But if by the time I finish I look like it's 9:30, I probably won't, because I have to wash my hair out. And what I use to wash my hair, let me show you. I use this, the Mayo, yeah, I use, I don't want to show the price, but if you guys want to know the price, you know the price. So I use this to wash my hair. Yeah. Honestly, it's been good. I part my hairs in sections, and then I apply the mask from the root out to the ends. But guys, I'm gonna hurry up because I really don't want to be late for my appointment, and I'm trying to just rush. So I'm gonna do that, and then when I'm finished, like when I'm ready, I'll come back with you guys. Good morning guys. So it is like 4:40 right now, and I am about to head out to go to the gym. Today is February 14th, so happy Valentine's Day. I probably will try and post this by the end of the day, but the last time I was with you guys, I was doing my hair, and I told you guys that I would get back to you, but that day took a big major turn, and you know, like, I got some bad news, and you know, I wasn't in the mood to be recording. So now here I am today. Today's Valentine's Day. I'm going to the gym, and my friend was supposed to come with me, but she's not gonna come until later or tomorrow. So I'm gonna go get dressed and still go. Today we're doing upper body. I should have probably do legs today. You know that TikTok that says, "Oh, what are you doing for Valentine's Day?" And then the person's like, legs.
Hey, what are you doing for Valentine's Day?
Legs.
Flex up, stretch out, big man, roll up.
I should have probably did that, but I did my quads yesterday and glutes, so I'm gonna let that rest, and I'm gonna do upper body. I'm gonna do my shoulders, chest, and my triceps. So I don't know if I'll bring you guys with me, maybe not, but I just wanted to like give this vlog kind of more substance, if that makes sense. I'm not probably looking crazy right now because I just woke up and I just did my devotion and I'm just getting ready right now. So I will just, you know, finish getting ready and then head out. Hey guys, so it is February 16th, 6:30. I just came from work, just reached home and come from work, and the last time we pick up, I think it was Valentine's Day, which was Tuesday, and I was heading out to the gym. That went well. I did not record, but that was a good day. It was a good day, you know. I went to the gym, went to work, I came home, went to my bed, and that was chef kiss, amazing. But yeah, like, I don't know what direction this vlog is turning or taking. I don't know where it's going right now. All I know is that I'm doing my best to be consistent, and I'm doing my best to deliver content, whether I like the content or whether I don't. So hopefully, you know, this is a little chill vlog, and I hope you guys enjoyed. And if you have reached this far, thank you so much. Don't forget to like, don't forget to share, don't forget to subscribe, and follow me on all socials at Hey Siri _ on Twitter.
I hope you're dead.